Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel One Tuesday. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to fix TikTok video stock file processing on PC. So let's get started. For that, what we can do is simply get into our internet connection and check the internet connection is strong or not, and you can try switching your internet connection as well. And even after that, if it does not work, you can try refreshing your PC as well. And even after that, if it does not work, and if this happens time and again, what you can do is you can go to TikTok help desk, and for that we need to click the name, that is tiktok.com/feedback/report, and we get into the report. Here we need to write our problem, that is TikTok is getting stuck while uploading the video, and you can add the screenshot or screen recorded video as well. And once you're done with all of the details, you can click on submit over here, and your problem will be synced and addressed and finally fixed like before. So that is all, and if you like the video, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for